up, everybody? It's Kyle from GPE. Just got package dropped off from FedEx. Wanted to show you guys what I got for the 240. We do a little unboxing. I actually already started unboxing it, but unfortunately I forgot to grab my camera. Right here is one of two packages that I'm going to get in the mail this week. This, as you can see, is my new radiator. This radiator is from Champion Radiators. I believe they're in California. The one I got was the one for the 240. It has a fan shroud and two 12-inch fans as well. So it looked like it came in a Champion box. Came very well packaged. It's all wrapped, it's not scratched, dented, or anything as far as I can see so far. And also, you know what? I ordered this 2 days ago. It's already here. Although I do live in California, so I think this came from Orange County somewhere down by LA. So yeah, this is one of two things I've got coming this weekend. I'll let you guys know what the second one is. And I'll take a little video after this thing's opened up. I don't know if you can see that, but the holes didn't line up, so I had to kind of take a little bit out of them just to get the bolt to go through. These bolts are not supplied, just to let you know. So you will need some bolts to mount everything. They supply these things to go through all the way through the radiator to hold the fans on. I am not a fan of those. Fan, no pun intended. So I think I'm gonna probably use bolts. Maybe, I don't know. So much easier to use those, but the reason I don't want to use these is because I don't like looking at them from the other side. And on a Z, you can really see the radiator from the grill. And I don't want to. It'll look better if I used to use these little bolts. Maybe I'll even still put the pad through in between just to give it a little absorption. Alright, that's the plan. So hopefully you'll see it done next. Alright, that's one of the reasons I had to get a new one. This bracket came detached right here, plus on both sides you can see that it was leaking out of the core itself, and it's just been puddling on my garage floor for the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks.